Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today we got Color of Real Barbie. And I think this is Mermaid Edition. I'll let you see there's a rainbow girl. There's like a freezing girl. There's a cute little dolphin. Then that's like a princess. And then like that's a cool little fancy one. And this one is like cool and rad or something. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, this is plastic. Hey, guys. Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Can you open this? Okay, guys. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, guys, look. It's opened. Wow, this is so cool. If you can tell this is so cool, then I don't know why you're supposed to do. Just scream to your parents and say, this is not cool. And then their parents will say, this is cool, honey. Like, yeah. So, yeah. Let's open it. Does it go there? Which way does it go? Yay! Okay, now it's finally open. So now, we have a Barbie and all the surprises. Okay, let's open up the Barbie. Yep, I knew it was Mermaid Edition. This is so pretty. This girl. Now let's reveal her makeup. But we haven't found the sponge yet. Let's try and find the sponge. Yes, I got the floppy little sponge. Look, it's a heart. And if you don't know, Valentine's is coming up. So, sponge. Tap it. Get a wet sponge. Let me leave that in the water. But now, oh gosh, where did I put this? Okay, just put it here. And now, oh no, this is going to be hard.
No. What are you doing?
We had to pour this into there.
No, use the sponge and wipe it on her face and it shows her makeup, I think.
Oh.
So wipe her face with the sponge. Does it change anything?
Nope, I don't think so. Did it change anything?
I don't know. Open some of the other stuff and let's see.
Okay. This is all wet. Ooh. This is very cool, guys. Here's a necklace. My Barbie has a little necklace.
Oh, wait. So you reveal your doll with the water. So I think you can put your whole doll in there, and then I think her suit changes, is what it is, I think.
Okay.
So put her in.
Swim.
Can you get her whole body in?
looks like this.
Oh, wait, there it is. It's starting to come off. So keep the water. See how it's coming off on your fingers? So keep using the water on her suit, and then it will reveal the color. Sir, could you get like a washcloth so we can get kind of this water up?
How do I get in?
Just keep rubbing her suit, and then it's gonna reveal the color. Well, I think we need an actual like paper towel, or sorry, like a whole washcloth. I mean, oh, so another thing you can do, you can start rubbing it with the sponge. Rubbing her suit with the sponge.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Oh, it's like, yeah, like purple stars.
I want to get all of that ink off.
So baby, you can rub the sponge on her, and I think that'll get it off really good.
This. Oh yeah.
So get her back and her.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the dolphin tail's good, but her back still has some. So rub her back with the sponge. There you go. So you can get that part off. There you go.
Well, I need it to be extra pretty. Now let's.
No.
it
Your head doesn't go. I think it was just for the suit.
Okay.
Do you want to show your viewers what she looks like now?
Here is our see-through.
Oh yeah, it's like a pretty, like kind of purplish aqua rainbow suit, huh?
Yeah. Okay. This is so cool. And also hit the bell to make sure you don't miss on any videos. Now her head. She was having a little mermaid party. And this is Mermaid Edition. You can clearly tell because if you don't know what a fin looks like, this is... Look!
Very cool.
And now...
Now you can open her other accessories. That looks like a bracelet or something?
Yeah, now
Necklace.
let's get her makeup. Sponge?
No, babe. She's all done. All that was just her suit, so don't make a water mess.
How can she sit?
I don't think she can. I think she's meant for like you can take her in the bathtub tonight and stuff like that, you know?
Yeah.
Because you can't sit or stand up if you got a fin for feet.
Oh. Hairbrush.
Nice.
Oh, look at it. It has seashells and all kinds of stuff. Okay. Yes. Now, I think I know what this is. Is it the hair? Yeah, it's definitely the hair. Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, it's a skirt. Where does it go? Her? Something?
Does it go in the bottom of her tail, maybe? Is it like a little extra thing?
Yeah.
So I guess it's just like a cool little tail accessory.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.